Welcome to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. And today we're going to take a closer look at one of the city's most iconic landmarks, the Skywheel. Standing at a total height of 187 feet, the Skywheel is the largest Ferris wheel east of the Mississippi. The Skywheel has a total of 42 enclosed gondolas and over 1 million LED lights. At night, the Skywheel comes alive with a vibrant light show that illuminates the entire Myrtle Beach skyline. It truly is a one-of-a-kind of experience that you won't find anywhere else. Even if you choose not to ride on the Skywheel, stopping by the area, taking a walk along the area at night is truly worth the experience. Each of the gondolas can hold up to 6 passengers. The nice thing is that each of the cabins is climate controlled, so you can truly enjoy the ride no matter what the weather is like outside. Once you're on the Skywheel, it does offer breathtaking views of the Atlantic Ocean. It does provide a perfect way to take in all the sights and sounds of Myrtle Beach from above. The ride on the Skywheel was much longer than I had anticipated, going around multiple times and lasting almost 20 minutes or so. The views were amazing, as you can see in this video looking out the gondola window to the south. But exactly how amazing are these views? They did become repetitive, as each time you went around a circle you saw the same thing. And I'm sure many of you are asking yourselves, is the Skywheel worth the cost? I'll break down the entire cost to ride the Skywheel and whether I think it was worth it and whether or not I would ride the Skywheel again in this video right here.